Today on Boston Girl Bakes, I'm going to show you how to make perfect coconut macaroons. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Heather and I am the cookbook author and recipe creator at bostongirlbakes.com, where I love teaching others how easy baking from scratch can be. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut macaroons. If you're a coconut fan like me, then you are going to love these cookies. You do need to make sure that you grab a can of sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk. Otherwise, your cookie dough will be really runny. We're going to be using whipped egg whites for this recipe. You want to make sure that egg whites are free of any egg yolks, that they're brought to room temperature, and also make sure that your bowl is clean and grease-free. So let's get started. Let's make my coconut macaroon. Stir together a 14-ounce bag of sweetened shredded coconut with 3/4 cup sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon almond extract, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Just stir that all together with a spatula until it's evenly combined. In a second mixing bowl, go ahead and whip together 2 large egg whites that have been brought to room temperature. Whip them on high speed until they form stiff peaks. Once the egg whites have been whipped to stiff peaks, gently fold them in to the coconut macaroon mixture until everything is evenly combined, and then scoop on to a prepared baking sheet. I used parchment paper, which I highly recommend, and then bake at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. And I love dipping them in chocolate at the end. Totally optional, but I highly recommend it. So there you go. That is how to make perfect coconut macaroons every time. If you made this recipe, I would love it if you let me know in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you love this recipe, and I'll see you next time.